friends, my name is Pratyasha and today I'll tell you all about blood. Many people know blood as a red substance that comes oozing out of your body when you get hurt, you're wounded, or you are scratched. But they don't actually know what it actually consists of. So today I'll tell you all about blood and what they actually consist of. So, before we get started, you would first need to know how much percent of blood makes up the whole human body. 7% of blood makes up the whole human body. So, 7%. Then, let's start. So, we have 4 different substances in cells. The first one is RBCs, also known as red blood cells. Then we have WBCs, also known as white blood cells. Then we have platelets and plasma. RBCs, or red blood cells, are these disc-shaped sort of donut with a flattened center. So they are a circle with a flattened center. So RBCs make up 45% of blood. 45%. Then RBCs have this sticky substance attached to them called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin allows the red blood cells to carry the oxygen from the lungs and take them to the whole body, and the opposite way for taking the carbon dioxide out of the body. So that's the hemoglobin's job. Then we have WBCs, which is abbreviation for white blood cells. White blood cells make up less than 1% of blood. So, white blood cells, they fight off bacteria or harmful substances that are really harmful to your body, just like viruses, bacteria, diseases, or other substances and harmful things. So they fight off harmful substances. Then we have platelets. Platelets, also like white blood cells, they fight off bacteria and other things but they fight off it by wounds. So they basically make a protective layer on top of wounds, and they make it a blood clot, which is basically like this is a person's hand, and this is the wound here, and this is literally the layer that is formed by blood clots. Also platelets. Platelets make up also less than 1%. Just like that. It's basically almost the same thing. Then, for platelets, we also said that it protects the wounds. So they protect wounds. Then we have plasma. Plasma makes up 54% of blood. Plasma has nutrients and proteins that your body needs and gets rid of not harmful substances, but waste material that your body really wants to get rid of. They contain nutrients, protein. So now you know what blood consists of, such as RBCs, WBCs, platelets, and plasma. Next time you get a wound, you'll know what your body does to protect it and what other things are in that blood that comes oozing out of your body when you have a wound. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.